Hello, I'm Councillor Sam Rowlands, the leader of Conwy County Borough Council. I just want to provide you with three updates in light of the coronavirus and some of the areas of work that we're carrying out at the moment as a council. The first thing to share, which you would have already seen, is that we've now closed our leisure centres, our libraries, venue Cymru, and of course schools have also closed from over the weekend as well. This is of course to support the national agenda around social distancing, and we are looking at how we can redeploy our staff to support the community effort, which I'll come on to a bit more in a moment. The second update is in regard to schools specifically. As you will know, schools have now closed and they're being repurposed to support key workers with their childcare. So all of our key workers will have been contacted to let them know that this support is available. And the message we're really pushing hard on that is that this childcare support is available, but as a place of last resort. If you cannot get childcare and you are a key worker, of course, we will provide that support. But if you can provide that childcare yourself, that would go a long way to supporting the social distancing agenda at the moment as well. And the third point is in relation to the massive community effort that we are seeing throughout Conwy. And I thank you again for all those who are supporting this. You may know that we have set up a telephone number, a single point of contact for anybody who needs support in our community, who may be self-isolating. If they need support for things like picking up prescriptions, for food deliveries, or even just for a chat if anybody's feeling lonely at this time. Our phone number to call is 01492 575544. Give us a call on that phone number and we'll make sure a local volunteer or one of our members of staff supports you with the needs that you have through this time. So thank you again for all the efforts that are taking place in the community. If anybody is self-isolating and need additional support, please give us a call and we'll make sure you get the help that you need. I will of course continue to provide updates to you as and when new items come through that need to be shared. But for the very latest information, please visit our website, which clearly shows where all our services are up to and any new information that you need to find. Thank you again.